Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to skip the songs on TouchTunes. Now if you want to skip the song on TouchTunes but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the TouchTunes app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the TouchTunes app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to skip the song. So as you can see, this is the home page of TouchTunes, where you'll see various options at the bottom of the taskbar as well as various things on it. So from here you may simply click on the option of play also, and if you are near the jukebox area you may simply connect to the station and you may simply search for the song you want to play. So tap on the song and click on the option of add it to the play queue, and you will see the option of play now or play next. So the option which says play now is like the fast pass, so it jumps to the front of the line, and if you click on the option of play later, it will keep the song on the queue. So you just need to click on the option of play now, and it requires more credit than regular play. So you'll see the credits at the very top right, and requires a bit more credit than the regular play, so it may take a bit more credit. So after doing all of it, your song will be played shortly and you will be able to skip the song like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.